everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to write a blog on WordPress. Writing a blog in WordPress is very beneficial for your website. And I have to notify you that in order to have access to a lot of features in WordPress.com, you're gonna have to pay for a subscription that costs $40. And you can access features like adding plugins and installing it and activating it and starting a new WooCommerce website. Now, as you can see, I didn't pay for the subscription, but I'll guide you through the process verbally, and if you follow my instructions, you're gonna be able to write a blog on WordPress. Now let's dive into these steps together. The first step is to start a new post. And before you do that, you have to go to WordPress.com and enter your account credentials. Once you enter your account credentials, you're going to be directed to your account's dashboard. From here, go to the left sidebar and search for posts. It's next to the pin icon right here. Click on it and click on the add new posts right here button. It's the blue one. Now for the second step is to draft the content. Write a catchy title and structure the post with headings, paragraphs, and media. You can also use the block editor to format content effectively. You can use this one right here. You can write here. You can use AI assistant to check the spelling, etc., and optimize the title. You can generate images using AI. It can be helpful. Now after that, use the block editor to format content effectively. And for the third step is to optimize it for SEO. Install used SEO and focus keywords, meta description, and alt text for images. Now for the fourth step is to preview and publish. Review the blog post for errors and click publish to make it live. For additional tips, include call to action buttons like subscribe or read more, and use tags and categories to improve discoverability. And that's it. That's how you write a blog on WordPress. It's very easy and very simple. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.